These are where the winds are coming together pretty tightly and creating some rotation within the storm.
Remember, we started off with the storm where we had some more of that heavy kind of wet snow. Now it's turned into more of kind of a fluffy snow.
You're pretty much under the gun if you're in Kanawha, so be in your safe place.
And the rain comes down that quickly. And again, we've talked about how drought-stricken we are. It creates issues like this where you have ponding on the roadways.
We've been talking about that notch that continues to develop. And you can see it right here, just to the south of Cumming.
Lots of numbers, but it's kind of a simple process to figure out how much ice can accrue on the lake each day.
And that's the dangerous part about it. And we've got the really cold air that's stuck around, and the dangerous wind chills are still out there tonight. So take those precautions if you do have to be out on the roadways. Sometimes these storms are rain wrapped, so you can't actually see the funnel spinning.
And again, it's not that snow will be actively falling from the sky, but it's the snow that we have on the ground coupled with the winds. That's the issue.
Pretty good signs, or at least characteristics, of a strong supercell.
We were on our way to the state fair.
Yeah, and then we decided to pull over, check out the radar, and then we decided to go storm chasing.
Again, those brighter colors indicating some rotating winds are getting stronger as it continues to move to the north and to the east.
It's awful outside.
It's pretty
really
miserable.
is very uncomfortable.
And it's worse today than yesterday, of course, with the stronger winds, and that's what we expected. So unfortunately, it's going to stay kind of like this tonight or get worse. And then tomorrow, I think we do see improvement pretty much on all fronts that we've been focusing on. So temperatures this morning, another bitter cold start, 9 below here in Des Moines, 11 below up in Algona, 12 below this morning in Fort Dodge. And of course, wind chill values weren't any better today. As we go through the evening hours, again, temperatures drop sub-zero here later on tonight. Feels like 28 below in Ankeny, feels like 34 below out in Marshalltown with an air temperature of 4 below zero. So we stay below zero tonight across Des Moines through early tomorrow morning. Winds again will improve as we get into the day on Saturday, sustained around maybe 25 miles per hour at 9-10 o'clock, and then notice by morning we're closer to about 20 mile per hour sustained winds. So gradual improvement throughout your day on Saturday. We're all quiet on super Doppler rate. Again, not expecting any snow over the next 24 hours. Wind chill values also will improve as the winds lessen. We're talking wind chill values in the teens, mid to upper teens potentially by tomorrow afternoon. That'll be a little bit of relief for us. And then even into Sunday, still pretty cold out there, but feeling more like 20 below by early Sunday morning. Air temperatures on Sunday finally make it into the teens. So we have that to look forward to as well. That blizzard warning, unfortunately, still in effect until early tomorrow morning. Does include the northern portion of the state. And again, we've seen evidence of why that blizzard warning is in place. Those wind gusts today have been pretty strong, upwards of 40, 45, even 50 miles per hour this afternoon. Notice by 6 a.m. tomorrow, we've got gusts right around 30 to 35 miles per hour across central Iowa. So there's the improving wind conditions, and it gets even better from there on out. By lunchtime, we're only gusting to about 30 miles per hour in Des Moines. Better conditions across northern Iowa as well. And we'll see even better improvement as far as the winds go into the day on Sunday. So we've got some improvements coming, but tonight, again, still that dangerous cold and blowing snow, especially across northern Iowa. That continues at least into the early portion of the day tomorrow. But I do think, especially by lunchtime or so, here in central and especially southern Iowa, improving conditions across the state, and then another chance for some late weekend snow as we go into Sunday evening. Saturday for Christmas Eve, we've got a high temperature of 5 degrees, a lot of cold sunshine, but Sunday, there's our day that we're taking it into the teens, and our snow chances do return by Sunday evening into early Monday morning. Tonight's forecast, we're all sub-zero across Iowa. Tomorrow, we'll take it back to right around 5 degrees, single digits across central and northern portions of the state. Some more sunshine. Tomorrow, at least weather condition wise, if you're not outside, it shouldn't be that bad of a day. We're talking temperatures there right around 5 degrees on Sunday, 3 below on Saturday, and then we're into the 20s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week with better chances for some rain by Friday and Saturday.